My name is Manish Mawani, and I'm the director and the owner for Sound and Light Professionals. We're based out of Mumbai and in India. We across run our organization all over the country, and we do all kinds of gigs, from a corporate gig to a large rock and roll gig or a festival, political gigs. I heard about Lab Group when I used to be a DJ, when I used to play music myself, and I used to not run a sound rental company. I'd seen it with a couple of companies in India, and I used to use and read a lot of magazines, audio magazines, and stuff like that. And the whole talk used to be that this is the company which the amps are stable, they don't fail compared to a lot of other brands. So we started buying Lab Groupins. If I'm not wrong, my first order with the Indian distributor was for FP 3400 and FP 6400, and then we multiplied it with FP 10000s and FP 6000s, and today we have huge inventory of the PLM 10000s, somewhere close to 60 amplifiers. PLM definitely is way ahead of every other option that you have. With the Lake coming in on board with an amplifier, your limitations are really nothing. You can really do wonderful things. As I said, we have a choice of various systems, and here you have all your presets sitting on the DSP. You don't really need to think of what goes with what system. We have standardized all our amp racks, so anyone can just pick up an amp rack and go for the gig. We send the signals out from the AES, and Dante basically talks straight with the amplification as well as the desk. And again, running it through an iPad or things like that, you walk around and you don't really physically do anything, but it's all wirelessly. Everyone wants to use the Lake on a DSP with a tablet, move around at the venue and set the systems up. So it's always there as the first choice. Some of the largest inventories that we've used of Lab Group in are on festivals where we're doing 5 or 6 different stages. NH7 is one of the festivals. Sunburn is another big festival that we've done. We've done large scale villages gigs for Art of Living. Uh, at times we've used 80 to 100 amplifiers together. Uh, Both the things are extremely important. Sonic quality comes first. Reliability is definitely the key to success. You wouldn't want anything to fail, and that's Lab Group takes you there. With the kind of conditions that we use in extreme amount of dust, which is really not so good for electronics in extreme amount of weather conditions, from humidity to high temperature, it still works. So yeah, there's no looking back on that. In terms of return of investment and things like that, Lab Groupin would be one of the best choice. Firstly, it comes with 5 years warranty, and keeping the warranty aside, it hardly fails. We have over 100 amplifiers, and not more than 5 have ever gone back for repairs, and those are minor repairs. It's been so stable.